a mall that I really don't like coming to, but it's called Ingram Mall in San Antonio. But
It's ghetto.
somebody's watching. That person looked at me, but I'm trying not to care. But yeah, it is kind of sketchy here. But they have a Miniso. This is like, I believe, the only Miniso there is in San Antonio, right? I think it is, but let's go check it out. I think it'll be fun. And they also have like box lunch in there, so I figured that would be fun too. Okay, well, we made it. Miniso is right here. I wish I had a strap. Yay! They have the Miffy blind boxes. I wonder how much they are here. See, but they also have like plushies that are the Winnie the Pooh. Cute. Oh look, these are only $8. They're on clearance. Cute. Yeah, those are the same ones they had at Urban Outfitters. These bags are cute. Lately I've been seeing a lot of Miniso stuff. Wait, these are only $3. Cute. I really like My Little Pony. I was just looking to see if they had any Monchichis or anything else that I was like. Oh, all those blind boxes. I don't know how much they are. It doesn't say. Sorry. These are really rubber keychains. Hey, this one's cute though. Wait a minute. No Monchichis, but they do have Miffy stuff. Hello. Yeah, I saw it. I don't know how much it is though. Does it say? Yeah, it doesn't even say. Oh, well, those are $10.
Okay.
Oh, $13.99. It's cute. What about this little one? Is it the same price?
No clue.
What does it say? Godzilla. This kind of sucks. Oh well. They really don't have anything I want. Oh well. Next place. Maybe we can go to Box Lunch. Okay, no Box Lunch. Yeah, if he wanted to check something out, I don't know what he's looking at. Oh, but I did get it. I think this is fake, but it's a Sonny Angel. So we'll check it out. In the car. Ooh. This is pretty cute. There's only 4 packs.
There's nothing else in the set.
Got it.
You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah. Okay, box lunch is next. I'm trying to not get embarrassed of recording. It's the goal. Ooh, they have ta-da! What is that? A lip balm. That's pretty cute.
Look at this bag.
That is adorable.
For the,
I would never wear that, but it's cute. That's adorable. It's because of the cherry blossom collections that are coming. Look at this ramen bowl. That's cute. This is super cute, but I don't really wear like lip balms like that. It's only $7.
this is a carpet.
That's cute. Oh, look at this t-shirt, Matthew. Look at it. It's the same as this one. Any fun blind boxes? They have. Oh, I have to say, shut up. The Winnie the Pooh one. Oh, look at this noodle bowl. Matthew. 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 He's running away from me. How rude. All right, you guys, so we just got home. I didn't really find much. I kind of assumed that, expected that, but I was able to find 2 things. I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty sure this is fake because it was at like a kiosk there at the mall, but I've been wanting one of these little keychain ones. And then Matthew and I went to GameStop and they had this. So I'm pretty excited about that. Let's open this one first. So this one's supposed to be like, oh, cute. I got my Melody. Cute. So this is the one that I got. You can barely, but you can see her little face. So let's take a look. Yeah, so all you do is like build it. Cute. I'm going to put it on my office, like maybe next to my like Hello Kitty or something. How cute. You can have like an entire little home for them. Shut up. I think I need that. Oh my gosh, the Karopi house is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to build this. Okay, I'll build it later in a little bit maybe. Okay, let's open this up. Where's my X-Acto knife? I don't know where it's at, so I'm just gonna open it like this. Okay, so it does come in separate because it has like the keychain. I'm not going to open this up until after I open the actual Sonny Angel part because this will probably give it away. So, okay, let's open this up. Do I want to see first? I'm pretty sure this is fake, but I would assume. Oh, he's so cute. He's definitely fake. Look at his face. But it's still adorable. I love him. I actually have another fake one on my shelf that Matthew had bought me. I think they had them at, what was it? It was, okay, how does one even attach this? Like, does it even have a way to? Oh, okay, here it is. But they had them at the gas station by our house, and the guy said that his like wife collected them or something. I don't know, beats me. I honestly don't really. No, wait, how does this even go? I think I put it on the wrong way. Let's see. So it goes like that, and then I can add them right here. Okay. It's still so cute, honestly. Like, look at him. Look at him. He's a little dinosaur. What is he? So he is a Stragosaurus. But it's so funny because, like, look at his face. Like, that's so fake. Let me grab one of my real ones. Like this one. So, like, the face is, like, matte. Like, it's definitely, like, different. Like, but it's still so adorable. I think Okay, now I have to be careful to like how I set them down. Okay, I have my friends there, but I think it's still so cute. It's like the fun of like opening something up, and I don't know. I actually ordered a bunch of little like surprise boxes from AliExpress. They're obviously, I'm sure, fake, but it's still gonna be like fun to open up. And I was thinking about maybe limiting myself to like one like every other day or something just to make it fun. I only bought a couple, but it's still fun. Like even the paint right here. But it's still adorable. Anyways, I don't think I recorded a whole ton, but I think I'm gonna make it a short vlog only because I am super tired. I'm pretty sure if y'all saw the video from yesterday, I was a mess, a complete mess. But yeah, I'm really tired. So Matthew and I are gonna have dinner and we're just gonna hang out, probably watch some YouTube videos, chill, and then go to sleep for tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday, so yay, the last day of work, and then we can have an entire weekend. I most likely am gonna vlog the weekend just because, so on Saturday, Matthew and I have like a church thing to go to, and then we're probably gonna go out to eat with his parents. We wanted to go to the library because we're having like an event there, like a really cool like thing going on, but I don't think we're going to be able to make it because of the church event that we have to go to. So that's kind of a bummer, but like at the same time, it is what it is. But either way, I'm pretty sure we can figure something out. Matt and I do have to do some yard work one of the days. We'll figure that out, but I'll bring you along for the weekend. But anyways, I love you guys. Thank you for watching. Sorry this is a short one, but I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye.